Alright, my fourth grade friends, this is your new website. It's a fourth, fifth grade split, so you'll see some fifth grade teachers on there too, but here's your teachers. If you click on those, you can send us emails. The standards are there for your parents, the school webpage if you ever need to get to it, and then these are most of the links that we use. Today I'm going to talk about ThinkCentral, and the trick with this one is to make sure you click on the word and not the actual picture. So when you click on it, it's going to take you here, and you're going to have to do this part once. So you have to click a state, which our state is actually Dodea, not North Carolina. Our district is the very first Dodea, America's Mid-Atlantic, and then select your school, which is Devers. And then the thing that you need to remember to do is click this box right here. Alright, so in this box is where you're going to put your email. So it's the same email that we use for everything, and I'm going to be using one of our classmates. And the email is the same, and the password is the same, just like you get into your Google Classroom. So you don't have to remember anything different. It's the same thing. And so then you put in that password. So which is just the beginning part of your email. And then you hit log on. Okay, so this is where you're at. So sometimes in the directions it's going to say go to things to do in ThinkCentral and do your assignments. So right here is things to do, and when you have assignments, they will show up here. Now you have things to do, your scores, your library. So things to do, everything that you're assigned to, and when it's due, you click here. Now let's say that you did it. You can go to my scores and look at your scores right away. You don't have to wait for anything. As soon as you do it, you can see your score. And then my library is where you get a chance to explore. So if you wanted to watch some of the math on the spot videos, you can go here. If you're not, sometimes they'll have games that you can go see here. You can have your notebook, the eye tools. You can explore this area right here. But the main part right here is things to do, and this is where your assignments will come in. We'll be practicing this a little bit more today in our small group.